Welcome back to the channel. I just want to welcome everybody to the 2018 Volvo XC40. This is a brand new platform for Volvo, and I think they nailed it on the head. This vehicle right now is currently for sale at Smythe Volvo here in Summit, New Jersey. So if you are in the tri-state area, please visit their website. These guys are super friendly, super flexible. They're family owned, and if you need anything at all, they're always more than willing to help. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this vehicle for a test drive. To tell you a little bit about it, it is pretty incredible. Volvo really understands their market, and they're doing a fantastic job achieving their goals and obtaining that market share. This vehicle right now is in direct competition with the BMW X1, the Mercedes GLA 250, and of course Audi's Q3. It is a luxury car. It is also in competition with the Jeep Renegade. It is for your market that is into the city, it's into the adventure of sports. The vehicle in this car has a 60-40 split in the back, a big trunk, and of course a roof rack to go along with skis or any other sporting equipment that you might want to take out of the city for the weekend to do a weekend adventure. This vehicle is perfect for the city. It's small, it's compact, and very user-friendly. This here is Volvo's standard 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine that is turbocharged, producing around 248 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque. Pretty powerful engine, gets you on the highway pretty quickly. It's really nice in the city, and you have 8 pointed power seats in the front, so they are very comfortable, and that's what makes this car special in this market share. You're in the mid-30s up, you can spec it out into the mid-40s. There's great lease deals, great purchase deals, and that's what's cool about this car. This vehicle also comes equipped, okay? The reason why it's a step up from the Jeep Renegade, if you're in that class and you're looking for an SUV that's small, compact, but also super friendly in terms of usability, it's got the blind spot, lane assist, autopilot, cruise control. It's got everything in the modern world of tech in cars. And what's nice about this vehicle versus, let's say, a Jeep Renegade or other models in its class is it's got Volvo's luxury touch. You got soft leather touches to everything. There's no hard plastics that you feel. There's no crackling noises. Everything is done with a fine quality touch, and that's what I believe separates Volvo from the rest of its competitors, especially for the price comparables that you're looking at. Do you hear that power washer in the back? That's some high-powered windshield washer fluid in the rear of the car. And in the front, it sprays out of the windshield wipers. That's kind of neat too. I always find that to be more effective, especially when you're driving on the highway or on a dirt road like you would be when you take this car off-roading. The sound of that blinker light. It actually sounds nice. It's pleasant. It's not annoying. It's cool. All the sounds in the Volvos these days sound really pleasant and nice. The way it starts up and the chimes, the blinker light chime. So after thinking about the XC40 today, I want to leave you off with one last note. I'm a car enthusiast, and when I step into these vehicles, I try not to be biased, but when I step into an X1 or a Q3 from Audi, there's always questions that I have, like why did they do this or why didn't they do that? Whereas when I step into the Volvo XC40 as a comparable car to those in its class, everything is done really nicely. The touches are great, the smell is wonderful, the sounds are great, and the technology and the features and everything that you're paying for in this car is just perfect for what it is. If you're looking to get a car that's an upgraded compact SUV from a Jeep Renegade or a Subaru Forester, the Volvo XC40 is a fantastic way to go. You're not going to complain about any of the luxuries, and you're going to have everything that you want in a vehicle in that class. Now, if you're in a Audi Q5 or XC60 or a BMW X3 and you want to downsize into a smaller SUV such as the XC40, I would suggest it's a great way to go. You're not going to lose out on any of the key features and luxuries that you're already used to in that class, and you're going to get a car at a lower price point, and of course sustain the luxuries and the feels of a luxury SUV that you're striving to have. So those are my final thoughts on the XC40. It's a fantastic car. I'm really happy that I was able to drive it today, and really excited for Volvo as a brand itself for really coming into the marketplace and truly understanding where their cars fit. And that's it. I'm gonna leave you off on that. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment below. I always appreciate your feedback, and I'll see you next video.